With the cabinets finally done, we can move on to flooring. For this job, we're trying out the Schluter DITRA peel and stick membrane. Its purpose is to uncouple the thinset from the floor and even out load distribution, which should reduce the chances of cracks, as well as providing waterproofing and vapor management. The first step is making sure that the surface is very clean and applying a primer, which will help the adhesive backing bond to the floor.
We gotta get the tile pretty close to the feet, yeah?
Mm-hmm. I have to tell you, maybe we may have to adjust the feet again when we do the toe kicks, if there's not enough.
Yeah.
4.5 inches.
I don't know how.
Yeah.
I don't know how to do that. Like, it is what it is.
Yeah. I think as long as you get that leading edge set, then you can probably...
Yeah.
What's my foot falling into? The bed.
Yep.
Take that and I'll show you.
We're getting there.
Yeah.
Easily bust out. That's probably about 3 rows. Smell it.
It smells like burning, it's burning rubber. So.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is what most of it are going to look like. So I'm hoping that be half here-ish and forward almost underneath that door.
Give us an Allen. Separate entrance for the kids. Blocked off. Alright, so we're trying to figure out center. 6 feet 2 inches quarter is the front of the room from the center, the laser to the wall. 6 feet 2 inches 11/16 is from the laser to the wall at the back of the room.
So that's their spacer, so built in. And then you put this thing in there like have that. I have no fucking clue. Or does it go the other way? I think it goes the other way. Flip it there.
You gonna get him? Get him. Oh! Get Holland. Go get Holland. Though we have installed tile a few times, this is our first time dealing with large format tiles. We quickly found out that back buttering them was just too burdensome.
Back butter this. I don't have. Like digging down in here.
Digging from the upsized batches of thinset from the deep bucket.
God damn it! I like smaller tiles.
And schlepping the whole ungainly mess into place, quickly and carefully, was just too nerve-wracking and messy.
Yeah. God!
Second bucket and snacks required. I don't know if y'all remember the silicone bucket liner that Ames was so excited about at the very beginning of this renovation. Because you don't have to clean your bucket, you just let it dry, and the thinset just crumbles like that. So in that respect it did work, but it was a little too shallow for this bucket, so it made using it too difficult. And also just that bucket was too deep for the work she's doing anyway, so she ended up using a 2-gallon bucket. But this, it kind of works. I mean, it does dry out the thinset and you can just toss it out, but the fit for a typical bucket is not great.
Like it worked.
Yeah. That's nerve-wracking.
I bet.
There's a chip at the end.
Underneath?
No, it's on the glazed side.
Oh, no.
Maybe I should cut right side up.
I don't know.
Me neither. I'll try the next one right side up.
See, that one's square, that one's square, that looks something weird. Oh, what are you gonna do? What you gonna do? I think you just gotta roll with it.
That's it.
Make some more. Get in there. Yeah.
Holds about enough for about 2 cuts.
Yeah.
All right, we're freehanding it. How do you deal with that little chip in there? I'm not sure.
Oh my god. Bending over like that killed me. Oh. See these things will make it separate. Pay attention to that. See this thing. Pull it up.
Forever. Our plan was to tile around the feet, but that turned out to be a real pain, so we decided to go under them. But that is going to make the space underneath them too short for the toe kicks to fit. So we're moving the rail up again. From the highest point.
We don't know the highest point at this point.
Nope. So should I include the DITRA? The final height to the bottom edge is now 32.5, which is pretty darn close to IKEA's recommendation of 32 3/16.
We're pros, so it should go fast.
Okay.
Let's see. like that.
Okay, that works.
Okay. Sweet. Alright, we gotta just move it just a little. I think it's just the legs. Let's lock them in. With a screwdriver. Goes in. And I put the drawer in.
Yeah.
These things suck. That one works good. Yeah, I see it.
Oh, yeah.
There's a part that sticks up on some of them. That must be a mess to clean up.
Good morning. Day 2. And I have a migraine lurking up there. We're starting with this cut. So we're using a round blade to cut at an angle. I always left this little thing. So I got a grout saw and I have a square rasp. So I'm gonna try and get that out. It's slow. Let's try the... The other option is to overcut it, and then you're left with cut lines. So I'm not sure which is better. I did not put that there for you guys.
Sorry, suction.
Definitely use the 4 amp battery with this guy. The 2 amp ones will work, but it will constantly stall as soon as it hits any resistance. So I was just using that while the 4 amp one was charging. Still not charged all the way, but there we go. I don't want to deal with that stalling on this cut. All right, to give myself a little wiggle room, I did mark it about 1/8 of an inch larger all the way around. Now in the past, and also the internet, says to do this with a angle grinder, so I have one on deck. But since that guy is basically like an angle grinder and a circular saw, I'm gonna try and plunge cut it. I did do a little tester on the scrap piece, and you can plunge cut it. So I'm just concerned about these little short ones. Nailed it.
Definitely, like when you stop and you start, it's different when if you can just finish the whole thing.
Right.
But it's just, I'm gonna try to push this one back just a smidge. Balance them out in the two. It's about as good as it's gonna get. They look more even.
Mm-hmm.
This section is so real. It would take a big burly man to get that section up there.
You don't have any burly men here.
Need some yellows. You were on it.
Another fun one. Cut out for the gas line. All right, not bad. I did 2 straight cuts and then I just did a plunge cut at the end.
Hey! What are you doing? Hopefully I mixed enough. I hit the grout line, but it won't do.
Nothing you can do about it now.
Oh, illustrated. And built by these this summer.
We are super pleased with how it turned out. But about a week later, the window installers came and they left a little damage for us. However, since the new door is skinnier than the old one, there's this pretty large gap that we were going to fill with wood and cover with a threshold. But since we're replacing the 2 tiles, we might as well do 5 and cut them all longer. But that will be some other time. For now, we have appliances to install. You get her?